This is my main router. This is an Ethernet cable. And this is the TP-Link Archer C24 dual-band Wi-Fi router, which I will set up as an extender. Let's see how to set up the Archer C24 router as an extender with an Ethernet cable. If your second router has been used before, reset it. If the router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting the router, connect an Ethernet cable from your main router to the second router. Now go to your phone. My phone is already connected to the main Wi-Fi. This is the second router device. Now connect it. Enter the Wi-Fi password from the back of the router. After connecting the second router device to the phone, the internet will be connected automatically. Now you can browse the internet. This is how you can set up the Archer C24 Wi-Fi router as an extender with an Ethernet cable.